Let me see if red's dry.
Okay.
This green is not. The other green is. This green is dry. Oh no. Purple's dry.
You may start.
Blue's dry. Yellow's
Green,
dry.
green.
The last color that's not dry
open
is
bright.
this green.
You may start your
Experiment.
not experiment. The stickers.
Green.
Okay.
So I'm gonna open this
Put my-
Gotta close this one, right?
Go.
No, we can't open it.
I'll start this one on the green side. Since green is dry. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the snail.
Oh. Is it dry?
Yep. Green is. See, touch this.
Hmm?
Yeah. The only color that's not dry is this kind of light green.
What happens if it rains outside?
Very hardest avoid.
Putting it on our tree. Wait. What if it won't
sticker
rain?
gets wet.
It won't rain on my summer day. Never rain on summer.
Never? It's never gonna rain again?
No, it's never gonna rain on summer.
No, it always does.
No, it doesn't.
I have
Yeah,
red
well.
mixed in the green.
Ooh.
Is that a dragonfly? Okay.
I think it was.
I think it was a dragonfly.
Whoa.
Hang on. Wait, I've got more decorations. Next, I want to do this flower. It's beautiful.
Did the kids at school make those?
Oh, I just
Yeah.
touched the red.
Those are just
Yeah, I
extras.
got it.
Yeah.
I asked us the office like, do you have extras? So basically, these organizations that build houses,
Yeah.
like real houses for
I
people.
got just like a little.
So they go to schools
Yeah, more paint on
and
my
they
shirt.
sponsor. And the kids are so happy about it.
I'm almost done, guys. Red makes orange. Wait.
Do you need more red?
Almost done. Next, I'll put the
There's some
bees.
red over there. I need to use this one.
This is so fun. This is amazing. Look, at that texture.
Oh,
I'm going to put some on the
bee
yellow
on
and
there.
red backside because this is still not. I just said it wasn't dry, now it is.
it feels, looks a little wet.
Well, it's not that wet. In the middle, it's not. Well, I'm going to paint more than that. I just said that. Oh, no.
What color is your dress?
Pink and here, brown.
Pink and brown? Does it have sparkles in it?
She likes brown. In the color. She doesn't have sparkles on my shoes when I wear it. Yesterday it had crystals.
Mm.
Crystals. Yep. One more. This and finish. This will not be an insect. Okay, time for your stickers.
I think you need more purple down there.
Here's some stickers when you are done. That's not our sticker. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm already done. This is our sticker. And where's your other sticker?